Hello everyone. So I just did the number 3 on the side, and I'm going to show you guys the number 2. Number 3 is my last video on this channel, most likely, if you want to check that out. So same as last, we're just going to go up, find our line. Don't go too high, otherwise you're going to look narrow and it's going to look weird. Once you get to the top, flick out. So I'm going to show you number 2. Next video is going to be number 1. And here we go. Here we are, what a number 2 looks like. I believe it's 6 millimeters. Yeah. Oof. So just simple. If you want to find or do just a quick self haircut at home, or you're thinking about going to the barber or something and you want to see what a number 2, just straight number 2. I know most people usually when they go short they get like a fade or a taper. But yeah, this is, at least on my hair, what a number 2 looks like. Thank you guys for watching, and hopefully you guys watch the other ones. See ya.